Located on 335 stunning acres, this Texas County, Missouri farm includes it all. It has pasture, hay fields, lakes, ponds, woods, and even a workshop with living quarters. 2 lakes can be found on the property, including this 7-acre lake. 21 feet deep, this lake is stocked with fish. Also on the property is this 2-acre lake. Laying nicely, this property is approximately 50% open, with the other 50% being in mature timber. Fenced and cross-fenced, this 150-acre pasture contains 8 fields. It can comfortably run up to 60 head of cattle. The pasture is a mixture of clover and orchard grass. In addition to cattle, this farm would be perfect for horses. The lush pasture has many ponds scattered throughout, in addition to the 2 lakes. In addition to the ponds, there is also a wet weather creek. The ponds are assorted in size, some large and some small. This is one of the larger ones. Up to 200 bales of hay can be cut from the 25 acres of hay fields. In addition to the pasture and hay fields, this property is approximately half wooded, with 25 of those acres being in pine. For the avid hunter, these woods are filled with deer, turkey, and quail. The 40 by 75 workshop overlooks the 2-acre lake, providing views in all directions. In addition, there is a large yard with a scattering of fruit trees, including peach, apple, pear, and plum, plus blueberries and grapes. Want to live close to work? How about living in the workshop? It has living quarters with up to 3 bedrooms, living and dining area, kitchen, bath, and laundry. Heat the whole building with the wood stove or the ventless propane heaters found in the living quarters. It also includes cooling provided by window air conditioners. The interior includes a nice open kitchen, dining, and living room. This is one of the bedrooms upstairs. There are possibly 3 bedrooms in this building. It also has a bathroom and laundry, giving you everything you need.